ito po yung get up namin today. Oo nga, may mga new stores dito sa Myeongdong. Yan o, naka-Tommy yung isa. Wow, Tommy! So, going na kami sa meeting place namin, going to DMC tour. Sa station number 8 ng Myeongdong. Maganda kasi dito, halos lahat ng, actually lahat ng tours, dito talaga yung pick-up spot din sa Myeongdong. I think yan na yung ano namin, bus. May nakalagay na DMZ tour. Hanapin na lang natin yung tour guide. Super on time naman nila. Doon tayo sa number 8, baka doon siya nag-iintay. Okay, going na kami sa bus. 2476. Okay, dito kami sa bus. So, marami kami today for DMZ tour.
This area, and you can go to Kaesong. Kaesong is the third biggest city of North Korea now, and also old capital of Goryeo Dynasty.
So, dito kami sa first stop namin. So, ito yung pinaka most northern part na pwede puntahan namin sa sa South Korea.
So this train was delivering war supply during the war, and on the last day of 1950, got attacked by North Korea and China. So they were taking it to North Korea with all the supplies inside. And we stopped it in the middle of DMZ, and was there in DMZ for more than 5 decades. And we decided to bring it back to this place to remind people of the tragedy of the war. So now you can see how fierce the battle was. Right? And you can count the number of the bullet marks. How many bullet marks here?
100.
1020. A lot, right? So very fierce battle, but one miracle happened. That's the train master, driver of the train, Han Jung-gi. He survived out of this attack. And he lived up to 83 years old and came here often. Oh, I survived. Area and take some photos, and you can go upstairs there. Do you see some people upstairs to get the whole view of this?
Freedom Bridge.
But they are sex slaves. Have you heard of comfort women?
Yeah.
A lot of Korean girls, some from Japan, some from China, some from other Asian countries, but majority from Korean Peninsula. They were mostly kidnapped or scammed by Japan during the Japanese colonial period, especially at the same time, so people apply and send all the documentation and DNA sample. Why DNA sample? Make sure, right? You are my family members, and if your kids when separated, then you don't use it for any face of your family members, right? So government found the people matched with DNA from this side and that side, and sent the table in North Korea. You're living well. We do that at home, but the people, they have hometown in North Korea, they cannot cross the border at the moment, right? So this is the northernmost place they can make. So they come here and do the ritual all together. So they are wearing hanbok, Korean traditional outfit, and place the good food on the table. Yeah, good food and the burner sensing. And kneel down, bow towards North Korea, thinking of their family members. So this is
So, dito kami sa most northern part of South Korea na ang daming history about the Korea. Parang dami namin nalaman, no? About their history. So ngayon, free time namin. So mag-tour kami. DIY muna kami mga 30 minutes then pabalik ulit kami sa bus. Ito yung yung Bridge of Freedom. So dito daw na change yung prisoners dati. Para ito lang yung naiwan na bridge. Nagmadali sila to build it. Para yung mga prisoners ng kabila, nandito mag-exchange sila. So tawag nila dyan is Bridge of Freedom.
この後ろの記念品店を見ると、あっちにですね、日本の韓国の DMZ のね、軍事ミリ距離。
So we're here at the roof deck. So I think that's mausok lang talaga kasi nga dahil may mga forest fire last time and I think until now meron pa din forest fire. Tapos si kuya ko sa harap umutot pa talaga. Si lolo ko umutot pa talaga. Ay, silip tayo doon sa telescope. Ay, kailangan may barya. Gusto ko sana sumilip eh. North na yun dun, Hindi pa, no? Kasi may cable car eh. Baka doon pa talaga sa likod ng bundok. Alam nga naman merong activity,
Hindi pa naman doon
we are at the most northern Dunkin' Donut of South Korea. And this is the most risky Dunkin' Donut in South Korea. Kasi nga malapit na siya sa border ng North Korea. And meron ditong cable car. Gusto ko sana pero konti lang kasi yung time namin eh.
Approaching DMZ soon, arriving there in 3 minutes. Now let's get a small letter out of DMZ and tunnel we cannot take any photos. Yeah, so take it here. And the real tunnel lies on the ground. 73 meter there, 25 stories on the ground. Sorry, it's the military signal. So I'll shout.
Just this time. Observation point. This army soldiers stay here.
So Bukhansan mountain over there. So if one. Okay, let's continue this way. To live there. Why? Because government provided free land to farm. And so people, the retired veterans, soldiers, and some people who lost their hometown.
5,200 Colombian soldiers participate here during the 3
Lunch time. So buffet style for today's lunch. So ito beef, then merong peanut no? Kimchi, tapos ito hindi ko pa alam kung ano yan. Wala kasi nakalagay eh. Beefy, soup, and happy lunch!
And say goodbye. Bye, Kao.
Bye, ikaw.
The female leader. Okay, bye-bye. Annyeong. And we say annyeong for hello, hi, and goodbye. Here, at this circle, the red color, and we're going up this way, 2 minutes to the observatory tower. This way on the right side. But we are not using the observatory because we went to the better one in DMZ, right? So.
So we're at Mahjong Lake and it's raining. Ang ganda, maulan lang. Maganda dito sa Mahjong Lake. Ikot tayo dito sa view. Yan oh. Kaya isang makaulan lang, hindi tayo maka-arte-arte. Tapos yan yung suspension bridge. Walking, though it's raining and it's moving. Siyempre mas ano na yan pag nasa gitna na tayo. Yes, kuya. Wala tayong choice. Para makarating tayo sa bus, kailangan matapos natin yung trail na to. Ganda ng lake pero ganito ang itsura namin, oh. Ganda ng lake pero ganito kami.
Wala kami payo.
Wala nang ano, hindi na aesthetic. More walkathon yung tour natin, no? So kailangan ano kayo, physically ready.
Yes.
Para hindi kayo mahilo sa tunnel. Kasi ilang meters yun, mag-walk kayo tapos medyo masikip. Kasi may kilala ako, biglang nahilo. Buti na lang, kinarga ko na lang siya paakyat.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Grabe guys. Sorry. Ganda oh. Cherry blossom din dito. Diyan tayo magka-camping. Diyan tayo magka-camping guys. Ganda oh. Diyan kami galing, doon kami galing. Saan eh? Doon kami galing, umiinikot namin lahat. Lapit na kami doon yung parking, doon yung bus. Okay, lumagpas kami. Nawala kami. Bababa pala dito sa mahabang stairs. Ito oh. La. Okay, bababa tayo. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, dapat physically ready talaga dito guys. Kailangan ganda naman ang view eh habang bumababa. Okay. Go na kami sa parking lot. Yung blue bus, yun yung bus namin na dun sa malayo. Shit. Okay, pagbaba ng bus, bibili ng medyas. Ba't ka po ibili medyas? Buwababa. Okay na yung 7. Okay, for tonight, nag-GS26 ulit kami. Not 2, but 4. Kailangan kasi dapat matry namin lahat ng mga ano tawag dito? Mga ready to eat nila na kailangan i-warm na lang dito sa microwave.
Kasi magmumukbang tayo ngayon.
Kagabi kasi ito yung kinain niya. Masarap to. Tapos yung last time na kinain ko sa Busan, ito naman yung spam tapos kimchi rice. Ngayon yung bago is ito. Yung janjori beef. Yan siya with butter rice. Wow. Tsaka, ano yan? Yung intestine yan?
Intestine sabi niya.
Ooh, yung gopchang. So, yun yung mga food ito try namin tonight. Oh. Siyempre, doon muna tayo sa safe. Yung, I mean, hindi naman safe. Yung sa familiar tayo, yung spam. So, ito siya, orange. So, medyo spicy ito siya. Ito kasi yung favorite pa. Ang spam. Harap. Tapos, meron siyang seaweed. Ito yun. Maganda sa picture. Pero masarap pa din siya. So, favorite ko to. So far. Pero, sa kanya, ang favorite niya is yung chicken. Ito naman yun.
It's my all-time favorite.
Ano siya, may parang soy ba to?
Ito siya.
Chicken and meron ding seaweed.
Mas masarap siya.
Harap
Na, tikman ko siya nung nasa Busan pa kami.
Kaya masarap to. Ang next na tinay namin, lahat talaga ng sabay-sabay. Tinay namin is yung ito gopchang. So yung gopchang is intestine siya. So ito siya. Para siyang yung kinain ko kanina kasi parang may ano din siya, kimchi sauce. Parang
So ito siya.
Tapos konti lang, may in-expect mo may ano talaga may laman or may intestine. Pero parang hindi mo makita, no? Parang bits lang. Hindi ko masyado gusto. Okay, yung last and ito yung fourth na kinuha namin kanina.
Parang pastil.
Ano yan? Beef. Beef din yan.
Parang siyang pastil, pero may sabaw.
Yung lasa niya, hindi siya masyado yung ma-flavor. Parang light lang yung lasa niya. So for me, yung top 1 ko is yung favorite ko. Yung spam. Top 2 ko is yung chicken.
Yeah.
Top 3 ko yung ito. Itong isang beef. Tapos yung last ko is yung gopchang, yung intestine. Kasi medyo parang hindi ko naman naramdaman na may intestine. Ikaw, ano yung top 1 mo?
Ito.
Ito yung top 1 niya. Anong top 2 mo? Siyempre dyan ka sa spam. Top 2 niya yung spam. Top 3 mo. Wala siyang top 3. So top 1 and top 2 lang. Tsaka, akala namin orange juice yung nabili niya. Late na niya na-realize na alcohol pala.
At 7% alcohol pa.
Kaya walang choice kundi inumin na. Okay. Happy eating!